A spherical ball is released from a point at a height h on the rough track shown in figure 10-E13. Assuming that it does not slip anywhere, find its linear speed when it rolls on the horizontal part of the track. Assume disk is set to rolling with a speed v on horizontal part of the track of the previous problem from right to left. To what height will it climb up the curved part? A disk, suppose mass m, radius is r और ये इसकी लीनियर स्पीड इज v, रोटेशनल अगर ये स्लिप नहीं करेगा तो v बाई आर, ओमेगा इज v बाई आर, एंगुलर स्पीड. Suppose this goes up to a height h. तो काइन ये पोजीशन, सपोज दिस इज पोजीशन A and this is B. Kinetic energy at position A, that will be K, and K is Kt plus Kr. Translational kinetic energy plus rotational kinetic energy. Translation होगा half mv square and rotational will be half I omega square. Half mv square plus half, and disk का I होता है mr square by 2 and omega is v by r का square. 1 by 2 mv square plus half mr square by 2 into v square by r square, half mv square plus 1 by 4 mv square is equal to 3 by 4 mv square, and this will be equal to, K will be equal to gain in potential energy, and that is mgh. So mgh is equal to 3 by 4 mv square. m से m क्रॉस हो गया, h is equal to 3v square by 4g. तो हाइट होगी that is 3v square by 4g.